flowers. There's the baby. Okay. There's the duck in the pool. And there's a summer tent. There's a summer tent. Wait, where? Oh yeah, right there. That's the summer tent. And there's the tree. What tree? Alright, there's the tree over here. There is the baby in the basket.
No, that's not a basket.
Back there, there's a shower. There's a fish tank globe right there. There's the globe. There's the kiwi bowl, which is over here, right there. Right there. And with the banana on top. There's the couch, yeah. And then here's the TV back there. And there is here are the lights. This is the tree that grew above their house. And that's all we have for today right now.